Hi, my name is Matt Worthington and I'm a Wim Hof instructor. Today I'm coming to you from beautiful Townsville in North Queensland in Australia, and this place is like paradise. As you can see, the South Pacific behind me, beautiful palm trees down there, and Magnetic Island just behind me. That's where Julian Assange spent some time living there, in the beautiful paradise island of Magnetic Island. So called apparently because Captain James Cook thought it was magnetic because his ship kept on coming back over here, and he thought the island had some sort of magnetic force that pulled him back. Anyway, so Wim Hof. So I teach Wim Hof. I'm a Wim Hof instructor, level 1 instructor. It is absolutely amazing. I love the Wim Hof method. It consists of 3 pillars. Mindset, which is the most important pillar, and it just means commitment to the method for the most beneficial results, really. So the benefits of the Wim Hof method add up, and the more consistently you do it, basically the better you feel. And the other 2 pillars are breath work, and the breath work is based on a 1,000-year-old technique called Tummo, or otherwise known as inner fire. And it can energize you, depending on how you do it. It can energize you, it can relax you. It's certainly, I found it really builds a sense of self-confidence and a sense of inner peace. And that's one of the few things, one of the few methods I've used to really find that inner peace. And it's like a consistent inner peace. I feel like it's like a granite sense of inner peace, unshakable sometimes. And the other pillar is ice baths or cold water exposure. It can mean cold showers or even ice baths. And I know that sounds a bit freaky to begin with. It took me a while to get used to the ice baths, and but now no problem at all. And I'm amazed at how the body can adapt, and it's just amazing how you can walk through that feeling of fear that we're all naturally afraid of. You know, Mother Nature wants us to be afraid of the feeling of fear. I think that's saying there's nothing to fear but fear itself. I think it should be more correctly, there's nothing to fear but the feeling of fear itself. You know, that's what helps us to survive. We're supposed to avoid things that make us fearful. And cold is one of those things, initially at least. But the body's amazing. It adapts. And we're meant to live, we're built to live in hostile environments, not just hostile people, but hostile climates as well. And it's amazing how the body can adapt to hostile environments like cold or heat, and it's just tremendous. It's this thing here. This is a survival machine, and very, very underestimated. And it's just phenomenal what it can do. And when we've mistaken comfort for safety, actually challenging ourselves with little challenges every day, that's what we're meant to be doing, really. That's what we were built for. Back in the day, 100,000 years ago, because we haven't really changed, that's what we would face every day, these challenges, and the body would adapt. And these adaptations add up to something called resilience, and which is a sense of confidence, really. And resilient body means a resilient mind, because your mind comes from your body. So do something to your body, and your mind will begin to adapt as well. So it's a phenomenal method, and I feel very honoured to be one of the instructors. I'm a level 1 instructor, and I did my first event over at the Kilbrook Pool, which is just over there, the Kilbrook Memorial Pool, where the Olympic swimmers train. And it's an amazing place, and I've got another event coming up on the 17th of October 2021. That's a Sunday. And we start at 9 o'clock and we finish around about 1, and I'll be talking about the Wim Hof method, and then we'll be doing some breath work, some meditation, and then if you want to, you can have a go at the ice bath. If you don't want to, that's fine, that's all right, And it's $155, and what's going to happen is when you pay for the event, you're going to pay for it through the Wim Hof site, so it goes directly to the Wim Hof organization. And what I've decided to do is donate, for as long as I can possibly afford to do so. I'm going to donate all funds that I receive from the Wim Hof organization for organizing these events and instructing the participants. I'm going to donate the funds I receive to a charity. So I'm going to try and do that for all the events in the forthcoming calendars. and for as long as I possibly can, as long as I can afford to do so. So if you want to come along, there's going to be 10 places. It's good to have a small number of people because it just makes it, there's just a stronger connection. It's like a tribe forms. It's amazing, really. And the first event I did just last week went very well indeed. So if you want to come down and challenge yourself in a safe way, and as long as you have no severe health issues as well, if you do, there's some health waivers you'll have to sign off and maybe get some written permission from your doctor. But that aside, if you're generally healthy, please, if you want to come along, please do so. It'd be great to see you. Okay, thanks, bye.